Folks, I just built a new AI system in less than an hour, and I think this is going to be an interest to everybody. I have a property that I own that a property management company runs for me. They come back with a huge list of issues to fix. Now, to try and find a handyman, to find a plumber, and all of those things, who's got the time to do that? There's so many sites. You have to try and vet them. You have to try and figure out if they can do the job properly, get the quotes, get them to visit. It takes a lot of time. So normally what I end up doing is get the management company to do it for me, which they always charge a markup and it becomes really expensive. But today I decided to do the whole thing using AI, and look what I built, a complete workflow that goes from the issues to actually requesting the job online and then actually responding back to the emails. And let me show you how it works. Let's start with it. This is my overview. This is the report that they shared. The living room corner has damp, light shadings, boiler, all of these different issues. I asked AI first to configure this into the jobs. So I need a handyman, I need a painter, I need a flooring person, I need a deep clean, I need to change white goods, I need to do some replacements, damp survey, etc. Then I asked Copilot, based on what the average cost is in the UK, how much should I pay? And it's given me a budget. So now I've got a budget as well. Then I needed the system to tell me, I say Copilot, I mean Claude, and I've been using Codex. I don't really use Copilot at all for these things. Then I go, by jobs, what does it look like? Okay, let's take handyman, bar panels, silicone, shower gel, how much should I pay? These are all the different issues. If I go back here, I can see by different areas that it needs to be. And then if I go into issues, what is it? Bathroom, crack split, bathroom panel, all of those different issues here. And then I go into trade workflow. This is where the magic happens. So I've got Claude connected up to my Gmail. So I can see all of my Gmail emails coming through here. So you can see all of those different emails. And so that's now looking at all my emails, and it's got 5 different posts that come through. Nothing for painting, flooring, because I haven't done that. I've only done the handyman one so far. And if you look at here, it's giving me an idea in terms of how to do the pipeline. And then I even got me a response and email responses that I can send back. And here we are right now. So I've done some really interesting things. So I've invited 10 more recommended tradespeople across the different sites. These are the people that responded back to me so far. So I've got 5 tradespeople waiting. Claude's already responded back to a few of them itself. And I've got 2 live jobs that I'm basically having a conversation with them and looking to get a quote. And here you can see who are the ones that I think are high based on their reviews. 55 reviews, 83% says 5-star. And then if you go full assessment, you can see all the different skills that he has. I can open the profile if I want to look at it, where his main skill is. And then I've got my email, I've got my communication trail. So this is what I sent him. Hi, surgeon. Then he called me, so I had to log the call manually. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the call as part of the AI system, so I had to manually type it in. Then I sent him some more information, and now I'm waiting for a quote. And this is how it's going, all the different quotes. And this is if I wanted to contact on WhatsApp. Now, if you think about what I've just created, this whole system that would have taken me hours, days of painful, difficult work, I've now done within 1 hour. 1 hour, not only is the system been created, but it's now vetting, finding, requoting. And then once that's all been done, the only thing I need to do as a human is invite them around, give them the key so they can look at it and give me their final quote in person. And assuming I'm happy with it, then I'm in a position to hire that person and get them to do the job. Now, I'm not sure if you guys need to do similar things for your home or your office or whatever it is, but this is the kind of system that you can build. And like I say, the training and effort that I put into building these kind of complex systems has led me to build something so simple for me now. But you may argue that this is really complicated, but it's going to save me days, it's going to save me money. And that is the true power of AI. So keep on following, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you on the next video.